Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have another vertical nice pattern for you. This is really easy, only 2 row repeat. For the specific vertical pattern you need to have 9 stitches, but it's up to you between these stitches how many do you need to have a separation. In my case, just I used 3 stitches for separation, as you can see at the back side, but it's optional. You can make it more or less. Let's get started to show how you can do that. Okay, if you want to do the pattern without any rib, what we have to do for the setup row on the right side of the work, we're going to let me just knit this one as a first row. Then we knit 2 for edge, pull for 1, 2, 3 and 4, knit 1 and pull 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4. As I told you, our pattern should has to have 9 stitches. Then separation again by pull all stitches. Now we are on the right side of the work and it's time to start to make a pattern. Just repeat only 2 rows. This is the first row for pattern. After we make the separation, now we are in the 9 stitches. First of all, consider as this 4 as a job to start. We are going to make a cable. It means that we are going to take this one and just chain these 3, change it with the one here. Now we are going to knit 1, 2, 3. Before we knit the last one, yarn over and knit the last one. Now we are in the stitches for the middle, like a pull. In 4 last stitches we do another cable. It means that we take these 3 and change it with these stitches. Now you are going to do exactly like the one we did. It means that we are going to knit 1, yarn over, then knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the separation. Like this. Next row, what we have to do, just we need separation. Then we are in the pattern. Pull 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then we are in the stitches that already we had a yarn over. Just let them go and then insert, bring the yarn in front, insert the hook here and just let this one goes. Now you are in the stitches between, just knit 1. Now it's time to do like the one we made here for this one. We are going to insert and bring the yarn in front insert the hook here, take that stitches without any action, and then let this one we already made as a yarn over, just let them go like this. Then we pull 3, 1, 2 and 3, the separation. Let's do it one more time, because this time you can see the pattern maybe better, because in the first row a little bit different. As you can see here, I have to do the cable like that, change the one with these 3, knit 1, 2, 3, yarn over and knit the last one, pull 1. Now we do another cable. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me do one more time the other side. 1, 2, 3. The one we already made, let them go, insert the hook, knit 1 and knit and pull 3. If you just repeat these 2 rows, after few rows the pattern should look like that. As you can see here, the cable in this fold has to be on the right side, in the last fold it has to be on the left side, and in the middle, as you can see here, you have this kind of shape. If you repeat the pattern after few rows, should look like that. You can use any other colorful, maybe it's better, maybe it's beautiful, but that's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.